So the next question is, here is my number. So I would be looking at this number and thinking, right, I've got 3 10s, 4 1s, so that is 34. Our numbers add together to make 100. So we need to think, right, we need to make 10 with the 1s, and then we need to think about how many then 10s do we need to make 100. So let's make 10. So we've got 4 1s. Forward what makes 10? 6. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 10s. So I'm on 40. 4 10s, 40. So I then need to think about how many 10s I need to get to 100. So now we're on 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So then I just need to look at this number and think, right, well, I've got 6 1s, 6 10s, so my number is 66. Question. Dora, Whitney and Teddy are trying to work out the missing number. 39 plus something equals 100. But we don't have base 10 to help us this time. If we look at the number 39, if we look at the 1s, 9 plus something makes 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. So then, if I think of that, I know that 39 plus 1 equals 40. So I just got 1, 1. Now I need to know how we get from 40 to 100. So let's add some 10s. We should know actually that our number bonds, 4 plus 6 equals 10. So if we make it 10 times bigger, 40 plus 60 equals 100. So we've got the 1, add the 60, means that 39 plus 1 plus 60 must be equal to 100. So the missing number must be 61. Because the 1 plus 60 is 61.